Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching The Clean Way with MariLana, where you learn clean routines to promote cellular healing.
Welcome to South Florida and The Clean Way with MariLana. I have something very exciting to show you today. I actually have two different ways that I do this. This is the original version I have. You know, I walk around with this thing and it's not the prettiest, it's not, people laugh. But this and the solution, the powerful solution inside, saline, salt and water, distilled water, with a few sprays of colloidal silver, has gotten my focus back in my brain, has cleared up my sinuses, has helped me, I think single-handedly combat mold, virus, all kind of things, because these things, as we know now from this COVID19, coronavirus, influenza, yes, this is the most precious part of our bodies, our nose, and our whole respiratory system starts with our nose and our ears, our lungs, and our chest. So very important that we keep them clean. So this is my little packet, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of try to show you what I do. Let's see how we can do this close up. Not an easy thing to film, and I have another one that I'm going to do today. So first I put a little in my throat. Gargle and rinse to get that out. Next, blow my nose a little bit to get any dust or things out. Gently. Somebody told me years ago, and I want you to remember this very important tactic: when you're sneezing, blowing your nose, rinsing, you need to keep your mouth open a little bit. You don't want too much pressure in your head, blow out an ear or something like that. Okay. My neighbor's walking by, so I'm going to take my time because this isn't the prettiest thing. It can look kind of funny. Yeah, so rinsing the sinuses 101. So we're going to start going up one side of the nose. You're going to make a little bit of a sound in your throat so it doesn't swallow back down your throat. I'm going to go up one side. I tilt my head a little bit and forward, and definitely better to do this outside, so any germs or bacteria that's rinsing out of your sinuses. I didn't get to do this last night, so my eyes are a little more puffy this morning, but here we go. Hold my breath like I'm going underwater, but I can't hold my nose. So we pour it up one nostril, tilt the head a little. Remember the kick. Okay. You notice when the water went up, yes, I first held the side of the nose that the water went up. Gently tilt my head. Blow out from that side. Then hold the other nostril. Tilt my head and blow out from that side. Now we're going to switch and do the other side. Sometimes it's easy to forget which side you did. It's not that critical. You know, you'll figure it out as you go along. And you want to try to empty the bottle half and half each time. So let's do the other side. Tilt my head a little bit to the side. Remember the cook with the mouth a little open. That's pretty much it. Now after that, there'll definitely be some residual in your sinuses. So you want to continue to gently blow. Again, make sure your mouth is always open. Blow quite a bit. If there's any left in the bottle, I'll continue to use that for gargling or rinse my eyes and my face. Yeah, and then the hard part is just to keep, lodging that in. After I'm done, not always, but when I'm really stuffed up, after I'm done, I'll use a little colloidal silver in each nostril. And that really helps to lodge the mucus. It took me about 6 months after toxic mold before I was actually able to get what they call biofilm. I was able to actually get mucus out from my head. That took a little while. So over now for the Clean Way with MariLana. Nasal rinsing. This is a Nasopure rinse. You can get on Amazon. I'll have the link on my page. There's 2 different styles that I use. I would say try them out both. And keep both based on your feeling that day. This is a little bit easier to fill and use, the Nasopure rinse. The other one is, I have it listed on my Clean Way with MariLana Facebook page, and that one is like a needle, you know, like an injection needle. They say it's a little safer because bacteria doesn't get back in. It's a little bit tougher to fill up and use. So over and out, the Clean Way with MariLana nasal rinsing. Get rid of brain fog, keep your focus clear, and I would almost guarantee, except I have to be careful for that, that it'll rinse any germ, cold, or viruses out of your sinus cavity. Stay well, y'all.
MariLana.